Introducing 14621 Niagara Parkway. Resting on a scenic road in the historic town of Niagara-on-the-Lake. This modern farmhouse flaunts over 6,000 square feet of finished living space, with 5 beds, 4 baths, 2 powder rooms, and its very own private beach. It's surrounded by a serene and picturesque landscape, with lush vineyards, award-winning Canadian cuisine, world-class wineries, distilleries, and the natural beauty of Niagara-on-the-Lake. Nestled on the banks of the Niagara River, a custom steel staircase leads to your very own, yet rare private beach, which makes for the perfect getaway. This majestic waterway is home to the world-renowned Niagara Falls, offering endless opportunity for adventure and relaxation. It provides habitat for fish, wildlife, and is popular for recreation such as boating and fishing. A privacy gate reveals the large turf and concrete patterned driveway, with ample room for parking and a 2.5 car garage. The grand foyer has expansive vaulted ceilings, immediately reminiscent of a luxurious resort-style home. Gleaming with natural light, wood accents and a touch of mid-century modern influence create a warm, soothing atmosphere, framed by a custom oversized glass panel staircase. The entire back of the home offers unobstructed views of the river and features an open layout that seamlessly integrates indoor and outdoor spaces. Beautiful wood accents add a touch of rustic elegance to its functionality. The glass wine wall, visible from both the kitchen and living room, serves as a bridge between the two spaces and showcases the wine collection. The gourmet kitchen is both spacious and functional. It has a monochromatic color palette and a large island countertop, with an extended outdoor cooking area for hosting on the entertainment decks. The back patio and covered sitting area have breathtaking vistas of the illuminated riverline, providing the perfect backdrop for entertaining guests. The southern terrace, an intimate outdoor oasis enclosed by a pergola, offer flexibility to enjoy additional privacy. On the upper level, a stunning primary suite that feels more like a spa boasts a spacious walk-in closet, an indulgent ensuite bath featuring a walk-in shower, and a luxurious soaker tub. Accented in natural wood, the bedroom is further enhanced by a fireplace and a walkout private terrace overlooking the Niagara River and New York State. The upper level is graced with an additional 4 bedrooms, each boasting their own private ensuite bath. 2 of these bedrooms also feature a spacious walk-in closet. The lower level is a versatile space, boasting a relaxing sauna and cozy family room. The games room is large enough for a pool table, and there's a private gym lined with egress windows, providing plenty of natural light for your workout. This two-story home is lined with an alluring tapestry of local history, turn-of-the-century influences, and resort-style living. Introducing 14621 Niagara Parkway. A new chapter of life well lived in Niagara-on-the-Lake.